How to check recent unfollowers on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to check recent unfollowers on Instagram. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, you need to launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to the particular account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Account Center at top of the screen. Now, again scroll down and choose Your Informations and Permissions under Account Settings. Now, on the bunch of different options, select Download Your Information. Now, select Download or Transfer Information at top of the screen. Choose your Instagram account and select Next button. Tap Some of your information, and once you land on this section, you have to scroll down and select Followers and Followings. Check mark the box and tap the Next button. And here you need to select whether you want to download to device or transfer to destination. Select Download to device, and then you need to customize different options like time range and your email. And after that, you need to tap the Create Files button, and after that your information will be prepared for downloading. Once the file will get downloaded, you can easily check the recent unfollowers on Instagram. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.